if you could like tell a story about your favorite judge. And my favorite judge, just off the top, I'll start. There's a judge, and everybody knows who he is. He comes out with this unlit cigar on the bench. He's a former JAG guy. He's like military, and he is one of the funniest judges you could be in front of. You know exactly what
I know exactly what you're talking about.
And he goes way above. Like, he says way too much, but he's so comical. He's never really rude. Do you think he's rude?
No.
He's just hysterical. He clowns everybody. He's my favorite.
As a matter of fact.
Yeah, and when I would, because he's military. The guy.
First day on the bench, I was in this division as a public defender back then. There's 4 of us in the division, 4 public defenders, and I was late. I was late kind of every day. That time frame didn't work for me apparently. And so he gets there, like he says, military guy. He says he wants to go 15 minutes early to talk to the staff and everybody, introduce himself. That wasn't happening. So now it's 9 o'clock, and he says, by the way, I met everybody. I thought I had 4 public defenders. And one of my colleagues said, well, we missed his flight, and he's usually late. So I walked in right after. I thought I met the guy. he still brings that up.
And he was in juvenile court. Remember? Yeah. What's the story of the juvenile? Remember the story about the back? Tell him that story. That's a good story.
This kid's from Parkland, and he goes ahead and he got caught stealing something from Walmart. He had the money with him.
Let me pause your context. So in juvenile court, you get kids that are like, there's some bad kids, and there's some bad parents, and they all have to be present. So literally, a lot of times, the parents are trying to get the kids to it's a mess. This guy's in charge. This judge is there. He's this tough military guy, and he sets people straight. But that's what's happening. A lot of times there's parents, there's kids, there's a lot of things going on. But go ahead.
The kid's parents come to me, and like I said, he's from a real rich area of town. And the kid's parents come to me, they're like, he just has no respect. He doesn't respect anybody. He's not afraid of the judge. I'm like, we can fix that. Get up there. I'm like, you guys slide by rock up there. Judge, this kid, he thinks he's pretty hardcore. Not afraid of you at all. Oh, I got
a cigar on lit.
But you can't make him cry. Just like,
how much?
Are we going to do that? Kid was walking down and they're like,
remember you would turn the kid around like, I want you to put your hand on the wood. Remember there would be like a wood on the box. Put your hand on the wood. You see that? I'm gonna throw your ass in there. He would say that shit, dude. He was great. He was great.
Yeah, he is one of my favorite judges.